Good afternoon. My name is Siddharth. I am studying 7th standard in Bharath Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School in Ilanji, Tenkasi. My project name is Automatic Electric Shock Preventer. Aim of my project is to stop electric shock in poles. Nowadays, we are using electricity for many purposes, like in hospitals, offices and schools. But on the other hand, we are facing more problems like when in windy and rainy seasons, the electric poles cutted off and then humans and animals may stamp the electric wire and die. To prevent the unvaluable life of humans and animals, we prepared this project. In this project, I used one 555 timer IC, 3 resistors, 2 LEDs, some connecting wires and one buzzer. Now we can see how it works. When in windy and rainy season, when the wires are cut off or the poles fall down, it will enable the trigger line which we used here. Then the trigger will give signal to this 555 timer IC, and then 555 timer IC will turn on this buzzer. Then we humans and animals can save our lives by escaping from this electricity. Now we can see its working. When the poles are cut off, this main wire will enable this trigger, and then the buzzer will ring, and then we humans and animals can escape from the electricity.
Trigger node change kaatu.
Now once again I repeat the process again. When the we can consider this as electric poles and this as electric wires. When this pole fall down or the wires are cut off, because of this weight of wires, then the trigger will be enabling, and then we can save our lives. Now I will show a demo for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.